Hello mga kabista, good morning, good morning. It's about 6:59, almost 7 o'clock, and we are going to feature today sunny beach in Galveston, Texas. So we just arrived here at the beach, but I wanna surprise you because this is really a nice beach where you park at the sand, in the sand, like at the beach. Exactly. Okay, look who's here. Darling, good morning, good morning, good morning. Darling, nag-eat na ka, darling. What are you eating? What are you eating? What are you eating? What are you eating?
Stop.
Eating,
Do not
eating.
disturb me.
Hindi magpa-disturb si darling kay busy eating to na mag. Let's take a peek sa yung eating stuff. Matanawa nag. Ano na siya magkaon yan? Ikaw niya magkaon mo. Okay na siya mura ko ang tigulang. So let's see. Let's see what we have today for breakfast. Oh, what a burger. So here's the beach area. So let's go out. Alright, this is the beach area. It's early morning. Look at the sun. It's sunrise. Actually sunrise at 6:22 this morning. So there's some dog walking at the beach. See what I'm talking about. You have to park in the sand here sa sunny beach. Shout out to Alan Isla. Thank you for letting us know that this is how it looks like here. So this is the place you recommended. Thank you so much. Okay, first time na mo marigiri nga mo park sa sand sa beach mga kabisdak. Tidaghan na actually ni park karon. Look all the way to that side. Naasay mga balay dito na pita. But this is like a virgin beach. Dili siya white sand. Agay. Nipilit na akong chinilas. Let's see. Ay, naka-slippers man ko. So actually nipilit na akong slippers sa sand. Kaya ang sand niya is gray. Dili siya white sand. Pero ang dagat sa niya may pagkabaluron. It's like Hawaii. Pero naaga po naliko. I think ko nang outside mo na naliko. Anyway, dili gyud siya kanang hinlo gyud kaayo. Kung nakaadto mo og Hawaii, lahi ra gyud siya. So this is Galveston area. Ang dagat is Gulf of Mexico. So kung mulabang ka dito, Mexico na gyud na siya. As in, so by plane about 3 hours. So I don't think you can use a boat or something. You need a ship. Nagkubalot. Anyways, I just want to show you the sunrise here. And then pilit-pilit ako nilas akong slippers sa dagat mga kabista. And then naay mga balay, actually residential ni siya sa likod sa may sunny beach area. Pero nindot maday ang kuan, nindot ang sunrise diri nindot ang dagat, maghumol-humol unya taon maghumol-humol ta. Akong ex-girlfriend to apaw ni kaon pa. May kaon pa sa sakyanan actually. So I just want to show you mga kabistak this morning. We're at Galveston area. So first stop, sunny beach, where you can park at the beach in the sand. And naay naligo dito. I don't know if I can zoom this in. Let me see. Actually walay naligo na bata nga naligo. Anyway, Nasa'y namasol. Namasol, nabibata, maligo sila. So Talawa ang sunrise, really nice. I have to take advantage of this. We just arrived at the beach, mga kabisdak. So nice ang sunrise actually. So it says no vehicles beyond this point. So $500 fine. No parking anytime. See? Naka-strict sila. But anyway, we can walk along this beach area with the sunrise, and right there mga residential. So if you have been to Distant Florida, ang kalahian kay ang Distant Florida is really white powdery sand, pero likod lang yapon sa mga balay, and it's like a virgin kind of beach. Kay walay toilet dinhi, so be ready anytime. Walay toilet, walay facilities, anything, so you have to plan everything. You can park at the beach area and enjoy, and maybe go somewhere to use the restroom. So nice kay kung mag-meditate, nindot siya mag-meditate diri kay bisag nara kasi mong car or outside sa imong car, it doesn't really matter kung dili white sand. For me okay lang, kay sa Philippines dili man putanan white sand, pero nindot ang view. I like it here. Mag-strolling, you don't have to wear shoes, kay kung mag-wear ka shoes mo, stick man sa gray nga sand. So mga kabisdag, use flip-flops, pair of slippers, whatever. Mao ni siya ang sunny beach sa Galveston, Texas. Nindot mag-walking under the sunrise. You see the sunrise right there. Okay, let's try and take a picture of the sunrise. Okay, wala pa si Darling. Nasaan ka man? Solo alone. Yeah, this side. Okay. Nice man. Medyo strict yun ni siya diri kay napay side, no? Actually sa area sa residential na side. Oh, no private property, no trespassing. Kuyaw kay narabay mga pusil din sa Texas. Dili maayo. You can have your gun with the driver's license only, I guess so. I don't have one. Ang ako, permira na nakatak-in ang gun. Anyways, I just want to show you some more of this area here along the beach. Pwede mag-jogging. Dili na ako, kaya I'm sure na ako dili sa camera na nag-jogging under the sun. Nice, very nice sunrise about 7 a.m. in the morning. There is a sunny beach, Galveston, Texas. So kanina may gikot-kot diri ang sand na ay nagdula siguro nga bata. But anyway, ang dagat balud, and then mao gyud ni siya. Okay, I think Gulf of Mexico sa other side na ang Mexico, ang Cancun, Playa del Carmen, nga mga nice mga white sand beach. I've been there. It's really nice, I'm telling you. So check it out. For now, let's just enjoy what we have here, what Galveston has to offer. We always have time to go somewhere else, but I just want to feature this because it's our first time here, and we are going to different areas in Galveston, like the Galveston Island State Park, and there's a Stewart's Beach, East Beach, and West Beach daghang mga beaches sa Galveston. But I think there's one man-made white sand beach in Moody Gardens. Very expensive hotel sa Moody Gardens, like $300-400 per night. But they have water parks, and there's like 2 water parks there. I have to feature that area too, but not this time. Maybe some other time. Okay. Okay, na ay bird diri sa beach area. Minsan nga bird nilupad na, naiusa diri, usa man siya nga bird. Wala siya. Birdie. Oh, nilupad na ang bird. I think siya seagull. But anyway, nga rin dapita wala na yung mga balay. So it's like virgin pa kaayo. I think they're planning to make some houses here because they have some, I guess, development going on. So mabalik natin sa car. Mga kabisdak! Kumusta ka man tanan? Mabalik natin dito sa car. Oh, na yung mga bird, mulupad naman. Marunong na tayo balik sa car. There you go. Hello, bird. Birdie. Hello, bird. Okay. Anyway, pwede din mag-tent diri, like open tent or some kind of shed. Portable shed that you can bring, and some chairs, and also walk your dog. Oh, si Doogie. Hello, Doogie. Okay, we're going back to our car. So, dili pwede across the operating for parking vehicles. So, whatever. Na ay dako nga trash can or whatever, but murag lisod disiplina ako ng tao kay naaghapoy mga nag-litter diri. So balik na sa atong car. Yung tanawon diri si Darling di kung sanay na itapon niya nga mang binigawas. Okay? Oy! Wa pa ka na humagkaon. Ay. Lain og tripping. Nagpilit-pilit akong slippers. So mukaon sa mga kabisdak. Murag lisod man ato sa ning kuanon kadali magtinail sa takadali. Ay mukaon ta tanong to sa tong breakfast diri. Okay. Breakfast. Sama ni. Wala may atong breakfast diri. Uy. Sama ni. Sama ni. Uy, milk. Chocolate milk. Wala ka mag-burger. Kaon na yung darling. Ang gano'n. Kailangan natin yung sinadin. Chicken burger. Aha! What a burger. Grilled sandwich. Okay. Kaon sa mga kabisdak. Kanya. Say bye-bye. Hello. Say bye-bye. Shy kay. Camera shy kay.
No.
Kung ex. No. Strict kay siya kay gisapot. Anong gisapot pa rin siya, no? Nahala. Mga babla kabisdak. We'll see you later.